Artemis 2 is on their way to the moon, so you're going to create the moon using Blender in about 60 seconds. And the best part is that you can download this 3D model for free right now, using the links below. So let's create the moon using Blender. Create a new file, delete everything, then create a UV sphere. Scale it up to make it bigger, then we will add a displace modifier, and add a subdivision modifier. Then we will go to the texture menu, and change the type to clouds. Make the size a value of 0.22, then go back to the displace modifier, and make the strength a value of 0.1. Then we will add a material, and use an image texture, and select your moon texture. I got this one from NASA's website. I'll link it down in the description. You could obviously adjust the displace modifier to whatever you want to get the shape you desire, but just make sure to apply all modifiers before you export. And there you go, you've created the moon using Blender. Remember that you can download this 3D model for free right now, using the links below. Like and subscribe if this helps you. Thanks for watching, and Godspeed.